Good morning, Central Pennsylvania. This is Robert Presley with your Center County Report weather forecast for this Thursday, September 8th, 2016. Let's take a look out your weather window this morning. You can see we have mostly sunny skies out there. Sunrise was about an hour or two ago, looking out at Beaver Stadium and Mount Nittany today. And you can see it's also a bit hazy out there as well. You can see our temperatures this morning are quite warm. We're already at 75 here in State College, 77 in Altoona, 74 out in Johnstown. Looking across the rest of the state, you can see, again, most areas are in the mid to upper 70s to start your day today. The bigger story, though, is the dew points. It's very, very humid out there if you're stepping out this morning. Dew point in State College of 72, 73 in Williamsport, and 74 in Harrisburg. And unfortunately, those high dew points are going to be sticking with us for the next couple of days. It's going to be a very hot, very humid end to this week. Taking a look at your visibility, you can see we do have some reduced visibility in spots down to 4 miles in Williamsport, 6 miles this morning in Harrisburg. That's because we do have those temperatures near our dew points with those dew points so high. And so especially if you're driving into valley locations this morning, you're going to want to watch out for some patchy fog. This is burning off rather quickly, though. So take a look at your satellite and radar across the eastern United States. Just a few high clouds here. Those are clearing out. But we do have this area of rain to our west. That's on the west side of this high pressure system. You can see all the clear skies across the southeast. And the flow around this is actually pulling in some moisture from what is left of Tropical Storm Newton, which made landfall in Baja California a couple days ago and is now spreading moisture up into the upper Midwest here. This will be moving into our area throughout the next couple of days, but as long as we're near this high pressure area, we're also going to have to deal with that heat and humidity. So let's take a look at your eye on the future forecast. You can see our first round of storms works its way in by this evening. Here we're at 11 o'clock, and you can see this band of storms stretching across Pennsylvania. Some heavier pockets as well. We're definitely going to have to deal with some heavy rain in spots, maybe even some gusty winds. So if you're out late tonight, you're going to want to be prepared for the rain. That'll clear out pretty quickly, though. As we head into tomorrow, it'll actually be a bit nicer. We'll see some more sunshine. It'll be a little bit drier out there. But we will maybe see another chance of storms as we head into the afternoon. It looks like it'll be contained mostly across far southern Pennsylvania. And then as we head into Saturday, we will have to deal with another chance of storms, especially as we head into the evening. So with that chance of storms for this afternoon, we are under a marginal risk of severe weather here, especially across northwestern Pennsylvania. And that just means with the thunderstorms that do develop, they could produce some heavy rain and maybe some gusty winds in a few spots. The other big story for today is going to be our temperatures, and you can see as we head towards this afternoon, we really heat up into the mid to upper 80s here. Looks like we top around somewhere around 86 to 88 today, up around 88 in Williamsport, and even warmer across southeastern Pennsylvania. You can see they'll be in the low to mid 90s. Factor in those dew points around 70, and it could feel as warm as 105 degrees in parts of southeastern Pennsylvania. For that reason, we do have a heat advisory in effect until 6 p.m. tonight. So across Pennsylvania, and especially across southeastern Pennsylvania, you're going to want to follow those heat safety tips. Make sure you take plenty of breaks if you're out running or jogging today, and stay hydrated if you're outside. So your forecast for today, it's going to be hot and muggy. You're just going to have to bear with this summer heat again as we head into September now. It should be partly cloudy with that high around 88. Those winds will be picking up out of the west as well. As we head into tonight, expect those showers and thunderstorms likely, especially after 9 or 10 p.m. tonight. We won't cool off very much either. Those dew points will stay high, and that'll limit our ability to really cool off tonight, low around 70 degrees. And then your football forecast, if you are headed out to Heinz Field for the Penn State versus Pitt game, kickoff is at noon. Again, can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm, but I do think the heaviest rain will stay until later in the day. But it will be hot and humid, so you'll want to be prepared for the rain, and you'll definitely want to be prepared for the heat and the humidity if you're headed to the game. So here is your 7-day forecast, and you can see we stay in this unsettled and very warm pattern. A little bit cooler tomorrow, just a slight chance of a storm, and then warmer again on Saturday with a better chance of a storm, especially into the afternoon and evening. But then we finally see some relief. We'll finally see this pattern begin to break down as we head into early next week. By Sunday and Monday, those temperatures will be near normal, maybe a little bit above average, with mostly sunny skies. That's the weather for Central Pennsylvania. I'm Robert Presley, hoping you have a great day and a great weekend.